So I have been just given the test of electrochemistry and I scored rank 4 out of 8 and my marks is just 10 out of 40, as just because the reason is to solving the question is with wrong approach, because I solved the question which is very lengthy in the first, and I didn't get the time for to solve the question which is very easy in the last. Here's the question first saying, which of the following electrolyte can be sewed? It not be sewed, it should be used to obtain H2SO8 by the process of electrolysis. So the first option is dilute solution of sodium sulfate, no. Dilute solution of sulfuric acid, no. Concentrated solution of sulfuric acid, yes, like twice the sulfuric acid makes H2SO8 by the process of electrolysis. So this is the correct answer. Second question, the unit of cell constant is length inverse, that means centimeter inverse, meter inverse. Okay. Third question, which metal is the most powerful reducing agent in aqueous solution? That means most powerful, as according to the in the electrochemistry standard electrode potential, the lower at lithium is the most powerful reducing agent in aqueous solution. So lithium is the answer. Fourth question, which of the following is the correct Nernst equation of the given electrochemical cell? So magnesium plus Cl minus formation of Mg2 plus 2 Cl2. That means chlorine atom is not balanced. So to balance the chlorine atom, 2 is used as a stoichiometry in Cl minus. That's why this is the second option is the correct. E of Cl is equal to E naught of Cl minus 0.059 divided by 2 log Mg2 plus divided by Cl minus concentration to the power 2, as just because chlorine gas is not used, just because its written is 1 bar, so it's considerable to be not used in this answer. Fifth question, how much electricity in terms of Faraday is required for reduction of this question? It should be used on paper. So and this question is also should be used in paper. And seventh number question is wrong question, because if you see the option which is one, like Mg plus Cl minus should be in reactant, that's why the first question is wrong. And the eighth question, for redox reaction to proceed in a cell, the EMF must be positive for a spontaneous reaction to be proceed in a cell. So positive. Ninth question, what is the numerical value of Faraday in coulombs? Which is 96,500, that is approx. So the second option is the correct, near to be 96,500. First option is 96,600, so first is not, second is the correct answer. Which substance is used as oxidizing agent in nickel cadmium cell? So nickel cadmium cell, cadmium plus NiOH whole thrice plus formation of cadmium OH twice plus NiOH twice. So NiOH 3 is the oxidizing agent in nickel cadmium cell. This is